Reid is an American progressive political commentator and television host. She is a national correspondent for MSNBC and is best known for hosting the political commentary program The Reid Out since July 2020. Her previous anchoring credits include The Reid Report and AM Joy. In 1997, Reid married Jason Reid, who later became a documentary film editor. The couple has 3 children. In 2017, Reid ranked 4th among Twitter's top tweeted news outlets and most tweeted journalists at each outlet. The Daily Dot credited her in August of that year with coining the term K-High for supporters of Kamala Harris. She has written 3 books: Fracture, Barack Obama, The Clintons and the Racial Divide, The Man Who Sold America, Trump and the Unraveling of the American Story, and Medgar and Merrily, Medgar Evers and the Love Story That Awakened America. Her parents met in graduate school at the University of Iowa in Iowa City. Reid was raised Methodist and has 1 sister and 1 brother. Her father was an engineer who was mostly absent from the family. Her parents eventually divorced and her father returned to the Congo. She was raised mostly in Denver, Colorado until the age of 17, when her mother died of breast cancer and she moved to Flatbush, Brooklyn to live with an aunt. Reid graduated from Harvard University in 1991 with a concentration in film studies. From February 2014 to February 2015, Reid hosted her own MSNBC afternoon cable news show, The Reid Report. The show was cancelled on February 19, 2015, and Reid was shifted to a new role as an MSNBC national correspondent. Beginning in May 2016, Reid hosted AM Joy, a political weekend morning talk show on MSNBC, and was a frequent substitute for other MSNBC hosts, including Chris Hayes and Rachel Maddow. As of 2018, Reid's morning show on Saturdays averaged nearly 1 million weekly viewers. In July 2020, MSNBC announced that Reid would host The Reid Out, a new Washington-based weeknight commentary show in the 7 p.m. Eastern Time slot vacated by the March 2020 retirement of Hardball host Chris Matthews, making her cable's first black female primetime anchor. From 2006 to 2007,